What's up, everybody? Welcome to the very first episode of the Vege Ricana channel. My name is Jackie. So we're gonna do a lot of vegan Hispanic cooking here. We're gonna start it off. So our first episode, we're gonna do some vegan empanadillas. So we're gonna substitute the chicken or the pork for jackfruit. So yeah, let's get to it. So this is gonna be our spider. Hello. Mira, ¿qué tú estás diciendo? Tienes que hablar español. ¿Cómo tú vas a hacer algo así a la gente? You know, you have a point. Mira que estás haciendo, ¿cómo haces la receta hispana? No puedes hablar español. ¿Qué te pasa? I am so sorry, everybody. Yo no me termina, dijiste esto para que la gente te entienda. Dale, ¿cómo tú vas a hacer eso? Ok, ya, yo te entiendo, vete para allá, déjate hacer un no, tú te crees que tú eres big show, big star, YouTube, te crees que te todo, mira, nada más te video, dijiste eso, nada más, dale a la gente, vete, dale, ya, déjame eso, ya, yo me voy, vamos a tener que para allá, yo no te entiendo, I don't speak English, ok, goodbye. Wow, I just got dragged. Dale, vamos a hacer vamos a hablar español también. Van a hacer las palabras aquí abajo para que entiendan, ¿ok? Yeah, I don't want to have nobody left out, and I definitely don't want to be dragged again. This is gonna be the spices that you would need, and this is gonna be the ingredients. So, yeah, once you have all that, we'll be ready to go. So, let's get to it. Let's go. Alright, so we're gonna grab our 2 cans of jackfruit. Make sure that they're young green jackfruit and that it's in water. Really important. So like 2 cans will make around 10 empanadillas. Grab a pot. Throw it in there. It will be really helpful if you have a can opener. So we're gonna rinse them, drain them, rinse them. Now, some people take out the seeds. I don't care, leave them in there. It's really up to you. Some red onion, red and green bell pepper diced. Mix it up. And set it to the side, grab a bowl with some spices. Some oil, throw some in the bowl, and add all the spices one by one. Follow your instinct. Throw in some apple cider vinegar in there, mix it up, and grab some sofrito. It's up to you. I made mine's homemade. I'll show you how I made that in another video. So we're looking like around this consistency right here. Cut an orange, squeeze it in there, along with a lime. Let's get it. All right, throw a bay leaf in there after you mix it. Turn the stove on high, cover it up. Put it on there for the next 30 minutes. While it's cooking, cut up a tomato. Check up on it after 30 minutes. You'll like to throw in the tomatoes in there with green olives and some cumin sprinkle on top and cover it up. Turn it on medium and just wait. And wait. Oh my God, and wait. Alright, so around 45 minutes, you'll like to uncover it and shred it. So it's giving it like the consistency of chicken right here. Ooh, it's looking good. Okay, so cover it up, put it on low for the next 15 minutes. All right, so an hour passed by. You would like to take it out, put it in the fridge to cool. Once it's cool, you're getting ready to assemble. All right, so throw some in there. And I like to seal it with a fork. And just repeat the process. Alright, so we got 10 empanadillas now. Throw some oil to the pot on high. And grab one. Throw it in there. Let it do its thing. So we're looking for like a golden brown color. Once you achieve that, you want to take it off and then put it on some napkins. Let it drain and repeat. Ooh, ooh, this is exciting. Look at this. All right, there you go. You got some jackfruit empanadillas. Y así tenemos. We got our vegan empanadillas. Oh, now it's the taste test these. Oh my god. Oops. I'm freaking proud of myself, man. You know, even being vegan, you can still really much enjoy what you're used to. Alright, so thank you everybody for watching. Thank you for all the support. It's really much appreciated. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, subscribe, like, comment, share this video. I hope you guys take care and are safe during this whole crazy thing that's happening. But yo huelo algo.
Can you stop? Like what?
¿Ah? ¿Qué tú haces que tienes ahí? Goodbye, everybody.
Dale.
Okay, tú te voy a ir para allá.
Wait, hold up. What you doing?
Tuya. La tuya.
Hey, back.
Dale, dale.